Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. We love spring at Lawn Solutions. Spring is a time when your lawn and garden start to grow with more exuberance and the greenery comes to life. Unfortunately, so do many warm season weeds and turf related pests. Now while it might be a little bit too early to spread out some fertiliser or to dethatch or top dress your lawn, there are a few things you can do now to stop these nasties from appearing. Introducing Acelepryn GR. Acelepryn provides safe and effective control of a wide range of turf pests. Acelepryn GR is to be applied using a fertiliser spreader at 1 to 1.5 kilos per 100 square metres. The higher rate is recommended for spring. Acelepryn is also available in a liquid form, but the new granular product is a much more price efficient option for homeowners. Acelepryn targets pests such as black beetle, stem weevil, cutworm and armyworm. The great thing about Acelepryn in comparison to other pesticides is it's not only a cure but a preventative, which is why early spring is a great time to apply it to your lawn, giving it up to 6 months protection while also minimising the impact on the environment and other non-target organisms like bees and earthworms. You can control summer weeds as well as winter weeds with a pre-emergent herbicide like Oxifert. The beauty of Oxifert is it stops weeds like summergrass, crow's foot and oxalis from appearing. Plus, Oxifert has a fertiliser component to give your lawn a lift. Oxifert works by forming a barrier at soil level that affects the germination of any new seedlings. When the weed seeds go to germinate is when the herbicide goes to work and stops the weed in its tracks. So just remember, Oxifert won't kill existing weeds, it prevents germination. So as temperatures rise and weed seed begin to spring to life, Oxifert can kill them before they appear. Moving into spring, you'll have your lawn humming along with the peace of mind that these preventative techniques will make your spring lawn care a whole lot easier. Check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website for more helpful spring lawn care tips and advice, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time. For all your turf needs in Brisbane, visit JimboombaTurf.com.au.